In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create URL redirects on Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to send visitors from an old or broken link to the right page on your store, which is really helpful for both user experience and search engine optimization. Let's start from your Shopify dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main admin homepage for your store. This is where you normally manage products, orders, and settings. From here, we're going to move into the section where URL redirects live. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, look for the option labeled Content and click on it. This area is where you manage different pieces of content related to your storefront, and it's also where Shopify keeps navigation and redirects. Inside the content section, you'll see an option called Menus. Go ahead and click on Menus. Menus are what control your navigation links, but in the same space, Shopify also gives you access to URL redirects, which is what we need. Once you're in the menus area, look for the option labeled URL redirects and click on it. This takes you to a dedicated page that lists any redirects you've already created. If this is your first time here, the list might be empty, and that's completely fine. Now, to create a new redirect, click on the button that says Create URL Redirect. This will open a form with two important fields, one called Redirect From and another called Redirect To. In the Redirect From field, type the original URL you want to forward visitors from. This is usually an old page that no longer exists, or a URL whose content has been moved somewhere else. You should enter the path only, not your full domain. For example, if the old page was your store.com old collection, you would just type old collection. Make sure this matches exactly how the old link appears so Shopify can catch those visits. Next, move down to the Redirect To field. This is where you specify the new URL where visitors should end up instead. Again, use the path format, like /collections new arrivals or pages about. If you want people to land on your store's homepage, simply enter a single /. That tells Shopify to send them directly to your main homepage. Once both fields are filled in and you've double-checked them for typos, click Save. Shopify will now create that redirect, and any visitor who goes to the old URL will be automatically sent to the new one.